Sing to Me, Papa is a story about Gretchen Mueller, born in Chicago, of German parentage. During World War II, it was based on a friend of mine who actually had these experiences. Her father was sent to the Crystal City camp in Texas. Most people think just the Japanese were interned.
I think I was about 9 to 15, and during that time we were interned. The year before World War II ended, we were shipped over to Germany. Then we lived in Germany 5 years, where I had this conflict of being an American child in Germany, and I didn't quite belong.
Eventually, Mama and Gretchen returned to the States. Papa was not allowed in at that time.
And then here I'm arriving as a teenager, and again confused again about my identity, because now I'm a German in America.
Papa had a beautiful baritone voice and would sing German songs before he was sent to the camp. One of the things that she wanted always was to have Papa sing to her again.
I think the book is something that also needed to be written because it's such an unknown fact that Germans were also interned during World War II. Historically, this book could be very important.